So today we are going to revise this topic, comparison of rational number. Now how will you compare the two rational numbers? Suppose you have been given 5 and 8. It is clearly visible that 8 is greater. No calculation is required for this. But what happens if it is given like this? Then what to do now? Okay, when such a case is there, we have to make their denominator same first of all. Without making the denominator same, you cannot tell that which is greater, which is smaller. So you have to make them same. In order to make them same, you have to take LCM. Now LCM of 5 and 8, LCM of 5 and 8 is calculated by 5, 8, 2, 4, now the LCM will be what? 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 5. That is, it will be 40. Now this 40 means you have to make both the denominators 40. So I have to multiply this 5 with some number to make it 40. I will multiply this with 8. When you have multiplied 8 in the denominator, you have to do the same thing in the numerator also. It will be what? 16 by 40. Okay. Likewise, you have to do with this. Now we have got 16 by 40 and 15 by 40. Now this shows that we are taking 16 out of 40, means we are taking 16 part out of 40, and here I am taking 15 part of 40. So definitely you can say that this part is greater. Okay, so when the denominators are same, the numerator with larger value is greater. So this will be what? More than this thing. This is the way how you can do it, how you have to do it. Now let us take one more example here. Minus 2 by 7 and minus 3 by 4. Okay. Again you have to make both the denominator same. Now the LCM of 7 and 4 will be 28. LCM of 7 and 4 is 28. Now this means that you have to make both the denominators 20. So we multiply with 4 here and here. Remember, you have to multiply, if you multiply the denominator, you have to multiply with this numerator also. Now this will be what? 8 and 28. Now next is about 3 and 4. Here we will multiply with 7 to get it 28. Upward and downward. It is 21 and 28. Now this is what? Minus 28 and minus 21 by 28. Now, since there is a negative sign, so 28 same. Now which numerator is greater? Definitely minus 8 is greater, because on a number line, minus 8 comes to the right side. This comes to the left side. So this is greater. Okay, that is this 2 by 7 minus 2 by 7 is greater than minus 3 by 4. This is the thing. Now my next topic is inserting rational number between two rational numbers. Means you will be given two rational numbers and you have to insert the rational number in between them. Okay. Let us take one example here. 5 by 7 and 2 by 6. Now first thing, what you have to do, you have to make the denominator same. First step. First step what you have to do, you have to make the denominator same. So LCM of 7 and 6 will be 42. You can find it of your own. 42. Now make the denominator 42. You will multiply with 6, you will get 42. Here this is 5. So it is 32 by 42. 30 by 42. And 2 by 6. Here you have to multiply with 7 to get 42. 7 and 7.
2 by 6 is greater, sir. Sir, 2 by 6 is greater than 5 by 7.
Okay. Now we have done the first part. First step is make the denominator same. Okay. And in between this, if I have to, suppose this is a question. So in between, if I have to insert, suppose I have to insert 5 rational numbers. Okay. In between them, I have to insert 5 rational numbers. So first of all, you make the denominator same, that we have done. Now see the numerator. And if are you getting the numbers between them or not? Means are you getting 5 numbers in between them or not? See, you have what? 30 and 14. Between 13 and 14, you will get 5 numbers. Very easily you will get it. What is that? 15 by 42. Okay. Then 16 by 42. 17 by 42. 18 by 42 and 19. Likewise, you can choose any 5. There will be many more, but you have to be only 5. So you can take any 5 from the lot. Let us take one more example now. Now in this question, I have to insert 10 rational numbers. You have to insert 10 rational numbers. First thing, you have to make the denominator same. What is the denominator? 5 and 3. Make the same first of all. LCM will be what? 15. So you have to make 15 here. You will multiply with 3. Upward and downward. It will be what? Minus 12 by 15. Then same with here also. It is 3. You will multiply with 5. Okay. Look at this thing. Denominators are same. But what is that 12 and minus 10? Sorry, minus 12 and minus 10. Will you get 10 rational numbers? No, you will not get 10 rational numbers. Then what to do next? So in order to do this, you have to make the gap. You have to produce the gap. Now it's time to know how to produce the gap. इसके बीच में gap कैसे produce करेंगे? Look at this. You want what? 10 rational numbers, no? We have to multiply this. You can multiply by any number, but since it is asking for 10, you have to multiply with that number. You can use your common sense also, and you can multiply with number more than this, 10, so that you can have a gap of more than 10 or 10, at least 10 numbers should be there. Suppose if you are multiplying with 2, let us imagine 2 and 2 here, you will get what? If you are multiplying with 2 and 2 here, you will get what? Minus 24 and 30. When you multiply with 2 here, you will get minus 20 and 30. Now look at the gap again. See, denominators again same. Denominators remain the same. Okay. Look at the gap. Will you get 10 numbers? No. So this multiplying by 2 is not enough. I have to multiply more than that. So let us multiply this with some more number. If you multiply with 8, it will be what? 8, it will be 96 and it will be 80. Then you will get the 10 rational number. That is, so with multiplying 8 you can do it. Let us multiply with 8, you can multiply with 10 also, you can multiply with 11, 12, it's up to you. Let us multiply with 8. It is what? Minus 96. And it will be how much? It will be 4204. And it will be, yeah, it will be 40, 120. Yes. Then time for this 8 and 8 minus 80 and 40. Now look at this part. Minus 96 and minus 80. You will get 10 rational numbers very easily. Just work with this. So minus 81 with 120 minus 82 with 120, and you can write more also, 120. So you have to write up till 10 rational numbers. Next question is, insert 5 rational numbers between minus 5 and minus 6. How to do this one? First of all, I told you the denominator should be equal. Okay. Since there is no denominator visible right now, you can take it as 1. Okay. And this as 1. See, the denominators are same. Now, look at the numerator part. Will you get 5 rational numbers in them? No. So you have to multiply it. Okay. So you have to use a common sense, or you better take the number more than the required rational number. It is asking for 5, so you take more than that. That is 6, 7, 8 like that. Let us multiply with the 6. Minus 5 and 1. You multiply with the 6. Remember, you have to multiply with the same number numerator and denominator. It will be minus 30 by 6 and here also 6. Look at it, still they have the same denominator. Okay, now check it the numerator part. Minus 30 and minus 36. From in between you will get the 5 rational numbers. So
31 by 6.
So 5 rational numbers are minus 31 by 6, minus 32 by 6, minus 33 by 6. So this is the required 5 rational numbers between minus 5 and minus 6. Now I have taken the next question, arrange in ascending order. You will be given here and you have to arrange in ascending order. So for that you have to first make the denominator same. There is 3, 5 and 4. Make it same. For that you have to take the LCM. Let us make it in a proper fraction. 3 plus 6, this will be what? 7 by 3, this will be what? 15, 17 by 5, and this will be what? 4 was 16, 16 and plus 3. It will be 19 by 4. Now make the denominator same. For that you have to take LCM. LCM of 3, 5 and 4. It will be done like this: 3, 5, 4. 2 times. So the LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied 3 multiplied by 5. It will be how much? 60. Okay. Now it means that I have to make these denominators equals to 60. I mean denominator 60 करना है. Let us do the first one. 7 by 3. In order to make this 60, you have to multiply by this 20. When you have multiplied here, you have to do the same thing here also. It is what? 140 upon 60. This one. 75. Here you have what? 60 was 12. So it will be 60. 12 sevens are 84. 48. 12 over 12. This is 204. Then 19 by 4. Here you have to multiply with 15. Now how much it will give? It will be 60. Now look at this denominator part. They all are 60. Now numerator part, which is greater, this is greater. So ascending is smaller to greater. Smallest is 140. That is this smaller. 140 by 60. Then next is 4, 60 and 285 by 60. Look at this. This is from 2 whole number 1 by 3, 3 whole number 2 by 5, and 4 whole number 3 by 4. So this is what arranged in ascending order. One more question here. Arrange in ascending order. Make the denominator same by taking LCM. LCM of 3, 2 and 4 will be 12. Now 2 by 3, you have to make it 12 here. You have to multiply with 4. 8 by 12. 1 by 2. You have to get 12 here. So you multiply with 6. Up, downward and upward. 6 by 12. Similarly with this 3 by 4. 9 by 12. Now look at this, which is ascending, which is smaller. This is smaller. 6 by 12 is smaller. The next is which is greater to this is 8 by 12, and the greatest is 9 by 12. Write their original form. 6 by 12 means 1 by 2. 8 by 12 is 2 by 3. And that is 3 by 4. So this is what arranging ascending order.